Okay, here's a slight variation on our draw house program to show you how we use parameters within procedures. And all I've done here is made some modifications to draw house. I double click on the draw house procedure. Notice I went in here and I've got a size argument, so I went in here and created new, and I can name my argument or parameter. And I already did that. I added our size one, so we'll take that argument out and we'll keep just our one size. That acts as a local variable within the procedure, so we can see this size parameter that acts like a variable within this procedure only, so we can't see it from the main program. And notice here all I did changing my program for each time I was drawing a line in our house, I replaced it. I think our size was 50. We replaced it with the size parameter. So now whatever size is passed in will be the size of our house and the size of the roof of our house, and the rest of the procedure pretty much remains the same. Okay, we also had to make a slight change to the external program or the main program. Two things we did here. One, in our draw house call, procedure call, we had to specify something to pass in for that size. So each time we call it, we have to tell it, well, what size house do you want to draw? And to do that, I added this house size variable, and we included a random function that's built into VisualLogic. Most programming languages have some type of random number generator, and so we seeded that random number generator with 50. Okay, so it's going to pick a random number for us to draw different size houses now. So each time we'll pass in a different size, and it should draw a different size house for us. Okay, just like that. And each time it should be just a little bit different. And that's how we use parameters or pass in parameters to procedures.